Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson from Kelv Global ICT. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to mute video sound in Canva. So let's say we have this video, and I'm going to play this video just about 6 seconds. So let me pause the video. So how do we pause the sound of this video that when you try to edit this video that you don't hear any sound? Let's say you want to actually add some text to it, or you want to actually remove the sound from this video. It's actually very simple. What you need to do is the following. You need to click on the video. So you can see we have the sound there and the video. So you need to click on the video, and then or you click on the sound of that video, and then here you can select the sound, and then we can actually just take it down to 0. Or you can actually click on the video itself. If there is a sound on that video, click on it, and then we can actually drag it to 0. So we're dragging it to 0, and when we decide to click play, you can see that the sound has been mute. So at this moment, we don't hear any sound on this video. So this is how you mute a video in Canva. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to Kelv Global ICT. When I have any ideas of new video that I think it may be of usefulness to someone out there in the world, I do create that video. So please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, and also follow me for more IT videos. Bye.